Everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the game changer month. Yes, the month of October, which is the month before your CAT exam. I personally call it the game changer month. I have seen a lot of students reaching to another level and a lot of students giving up on all their hopes also in this particular month. So that's why I say if you guys have the knack, okay, if you want to crack the exam, definitely October is the month, okay, where a lot of game changing things happen. So people who are focused can definitely make some good change in their progress, okay, and this is where you will see a lot of things moving around. So in this video we are going to discuss about that what you should do on the mocks front, what you should do on your strength areas, weakness areas, okay, the weak areas. So everything we're going to discuss in this particular video. So my name is Heather and let's get started. So here, okay, before I go, a quick reminder to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because as I said, we have every day 8 p.m. we are having a free lectures which is regarding the CAT preparation, CAT actual questions. We are solving that here. You can watch those videos and attend those live sessions as well. Okay, also follow us on Instagram because we have daily MBA alerts, okay, like daily current affairs, which is being updated on our Instagram account as well. Now this is the first thing, okay, stop experimenting, start consolidating. Yes, if you would have followed my videos, okay, 2 months or 1 month before also, that time I was the one who was telling you to experiment things in your mocks, okay, because mocks is all about trying out new things with regards to your strategy. And definitely we got a lot of surprises element that has happened in the past 1 and 2 months, wherein the pattern changed and a lot of things were happening. So definitely the scope of experimentation was a lot, but still today is 5th when I'm posting this video, okay. So I would still say that if at all you want to further push and do some more experiments, I think you can do it for 1 week more. But like after 15th of October, like there's a straight no on experimenting, okay. So you want to stop experimenting and start consolidating. Now let me get into the first detail of mocks, okay. So we don't know right now the different, like the number of questions which is going to come overall and also section wise, but broadly classifying we can say that there are two different types. Where is where you have 60 to 70, 75 questions overall, and other is where you get 75 to 100 questions. However, we know that most of the people are thinking that something of this sort is going to happen. We cannot ignore the possibility of type 2. Still, this is definitely, even I feel that there's more chances of this being happening type 1, okay, type 2 is less, but we need to prepare keeping in mind both type 1 and type 2. So let me get into the details of it now. So what are you supposed to do? Consolidate your preparation on strength area. What does the word consolidate mean? Consolidate means to make your strength areas even more stronger, okay. So this is what you need to do. I'm going to get into detail of each of these things, that what exactly and how exactly you have to consolidate your preparation. I'm going to discuss that in this video, and also on the improvement techniques of the weak areas, wherein you have to stick to the basics, okay, and accept that, okay, these are my weak areas, and what all things you are going to do. Now, this point is really, really important. Okay, the last and the third point that I put in here, which is finalize two to three different strategies for both the types of mocks based on the varying level of difficulty. Okay, which is difficulty across the section, because you know that it is not that even if the overall mock, okay, gives you a 50% is close to, like, half of the score, which is as good as a 95 percentile plus. But at the same time, we don't know that within the sections, okay, which section is going to be difficult, which is going to be easy. So definitely you have to give mocks, okay, of both this type and this type, and have more number of mocks if you can give, and identify the final 2 3 strategies, because you cannot stick to one strategy, okay. You will have to make some decisions, okay, at the time of the mock, that if this section comes up difficult, what I'm going to do in terms of my time management, what I'm going to do with the other sections, okay. So this is what you need to fix up now. Okay, I'm not telling you to fix up one strategy. That is a very bad thing. Okay, do not go with a single strategy. Okay, the single strategy plan is very, very bad, because if things don't work out the way you have planned, definitely you don't have any backup option. Okay, you don't have any other strategy that you have worked upon. So you need to work on 2 to 3 different strategies. Okay, you need to finalize them. That's what I'm saying. It's not that you're going to finalize it today, but by the time, okay, you reach to 25th of October, at least by that time, which is going to be 1 month before your CAT exam, you have to finalize on at least the 2 to 3 different strategies for different mocks. So you still have this month of time, okay, this next 20 days of time, wherein you can give more mocks, okay, of type 1, type 2, okay, and start consolidating on the strength areas, improving your weak areas and finalizing the strategy, the 2 3 different strategies based on the difficulty level of the mock. Okay, now let me get into detail of what happens, okay, of what you have to do when you have to consolidate your strong areas. So consolidating your strong areas. So first, leave no stone unturned. What does that mean? What does that mean? That should be nothing. See, understand, this is your strength area. You are not supposed to leave anything out there. There should not be anything that you don't know, you have not touched, okay, you didn't get time, nothing of that should happen. So you need to consolidate, make your strength area even more stronger and stronger. Okay, this is what I mean when I say consolidating the strong area. So all questions till 2001 past cat papers, this is a reminder. I have told you that ye nahi kiya to cat mat dena. Okay, you make sure that you watch that video also. I have told that in the video before. So all the questions till 2001 past cat papers, all questions from MBAP's advanced material. Okay, our advanced material has covered up a lot of different variety. So make sure that you are solving those questions as well. Okay, first set of revision on all questions from previous mocks. Definitely the revision of the mocks need to start now. Okay, it's not that you're going to start that in the month of November. No, start with the first set of revision. In fact, I'm going to tell you that you will have to revise at least twice or thrice the previous mocks that you have given. So you need to revise that first set of revision on all questions from previous mocks, okay, on the strength areas. So this is not like solving each and every question again. This is just a revision. You just have to make sure that you have seen each and every question at least once, so that you had a reminder. Yes, these are the different types of questions that I got. Okay, some of those were challenging, someone might be easy, but you have to have a refresher, the first set of refresher of those questions. Clear all your doubts. Okay, and this is a time where I feel that students should be very active on our doubt clearing groups, attend the more and more live doubt clearing sessions that we have. Okay, verbal, logic, whatever. So attend that. Okay, and at least you will utilize the 24/7 doubt clearing facility that we have given. You should be very active, posting questions and getting your doubts solved, okay, in the doubt clearing sessions that we have. So this is how you can consolidate your strength areas. And now talking about the weak areas, where I say that stick to basics and master it. Okay, this is very important. Understand, I'm telling you to stick to basics, but at the same time I'm telling you at least that you need to master the basics. I understand that these are weak areas, so your advanced level questions might not be that strong, but at least the basics you need to master. Okay, you need to master the basics. A complete list of all types of question. I have just put a video, okay, I think a couple of days ago on my channel, where I have told that if at all you are a weak student in a particular section, how you are supposed to deal with it with minimum time, maximum output, how you are supposed to deal with it. So make sure that you take that effort, make the list of topics, because if you do this, I can tell you that here you would definitely aim, like for the other non-cat exam like NMAT, SNAP kind of questions, you would definitely get 100% accuracy and get all questions right, even in the weak areas. For cat, I can say that yes, you can solve at least easy level questions, and that you can get sorted. Okay, at least the easy level question, because that is what NMAT SNAP gives you. They give you cat ka easy level questions. So वो हमारा निकल जाएगा यहाँ पे, even if you're doing that complete list of videos. Okay, complete list of questions that I've shared in the previous video. Okay, I'm sharing that video in the description. Make sure that you watch that also, so that you get more clarity. List of basic techniques on the weak areas. There are definitely certain very basic techniques, okay, on in each and every chapter, in each and every concept. So at least for the weak areas, for example, if you have your parajumbles, okay, if you have RCs as your weak area in verbal section, so I've already put some of the videos again there where you can watch that. Okay, that what are the ways that you can find the right answer in the shortest period of time. Those techniques we have already given to you. This is all there on our channel. We have taken a live lecture on parajumbles, reading comprehension. You can see them. Okay, you can see them, understand them. Okay, that is going to help you in terms of the basic techniques. Okay, you should not go blank on your weak area. So solve level 1 2 of MBAP's advanced material. Our advanced material comes with 3 to 4 different levels. The 1 2 level are still on the easier side, so I'm not going to say that do not see. If you are, I mean, this I'm saying that this is with the the star mark thing, that if at all, okay, you think that you're good with the basic techniques, okay, of the weak areas, you have made the list of questions, only then this should happen. Do not try this directly, or else you will find it even more difficult. So the first two needs to happen, and then you should think of the third. If you have not done the first two, do not think of the third one. Okay, yes, okay, you must have given mocks. So the first set of revision on the easy level questions. Okay, do not try the difficult ones again. Okay, leave the difficult ones, but at least the easy question that had come, okay, and you have seen the solution, you understood them, you should see them. It's not that those kind of questions should give you surprises anymore, so you should see them and obviously clear your doubts. Okay, clear your doubts. As I said, I told that for the strength areas also, I'm going to say that for the weak areas also, so that is important. Okay, so doing all of this, okay, like, sticking to the basics, mastering your weak areas, okay, and consolidating your strong area, these are the main pointers that I wanted to share. And yes, as I said in the initial part of this video, that you need to try out different mocks, okay, that I told you, and finalize 2 to 3 different strategies, and this needs to be done in the next 20 days of time. I hope you like the entire discussion. Okay, if you liked it, please do like the video, share it with your friends, okay, and make sure that you are subscribed and you're following us for more updates. Thank you.